Good morning everyone. Today we will see the new point reversible and irreversible changes or reversible and irreversible processes. First see the reversible process. Reversible process is the thermodynamic process. The process which cannot be. The reversible process is the thermodynamical process can be defined as the process which can be retraced in opposite direction exactly along the same path, and system can be brought back to its initial condition. System can be brought back to its initial condition is called as reversible process. For example, ice is converted into water and water is again converted into ice. When heat is supplied to the ice and it is converted into water, and again water is converted into ice when heat is taken out from the water. Second example, if the gas enclosed in the cylinder fitted with a frictionless piston and gas expands at a certain temperature, then the state of gas changes from initial state, that is the P1 V1, to final state P2 V2 when heat is supplied to the gas. If heat is taken out from the gas, that is the gas compressed at the constant pressure, and the state of gas again changes from final state P2 V2 to initial state P1 V1. Final state P2 V2 to initial state P1 V1. That is the process is retraceable in exactly along the same path in opposite direction. The process is retraceable in opposite direction exactly along the same path. During the reversible process, the entropy of the system, that is the ds equal to ds equal to not dq equal to ds equal to dq divided by t is equal to 0. Because of dq, that is the heat supplied to the system, is 0. Hence the change in entropy of the system is 0. That is the entropy of the system does not changes. Entropy of the system does not changes means that is the entropy of the system remains constant during the reversible process. It is the quasi-static process also. The reversible process is the quasi-static process. The process can be retraceable in opposite direction exactly along the same path. It's called as the reversible process. But now see the irreversible process. It is the symbol exactly opposite of the reversible process. It is also thermodynamical process. Which cannot be retraced in opposite direction exactly along the same path. And system cannot be brought back to its initial condition. It is called as the irreversible process. All natural processes are irreversible because of the natural process is the natural. This cannot be back to its initial condition. For example, that is the milk is converted into curd. Again curd is converted into butter, but butter cannot be converted into curd and curd cannot be converted into milk. This is the irreversible process. It is the irreversible process. It cannot be retraced in opposite direction exactly along the same path. Exactly along the same path. Exactly along the same path. Hence, the system cannot be brought back to its initial condition. It is called as the irreversible process. And during the irreversible process, the entropy of the system increases. Entropy of the system increases, and the change in entropy, that is the ds equal to dq divided by t, is greater than 0. Is greater than 0. Because of dq is not equal to 0. Because of dq is not equal to 0. It is the non-causative process, that is the not irreversible, that is the irreversible process is the non-causative process. Non-causative process, and in this case all natural processes are irreversible because of the condition of reversibility could not be released. Cannot be released. All natural processes are irreversible, and during the natural processes the entropy of the system increases, and all natural processes are reversible, not reversible, irreversible. Hence the entropy of the system is increases. Okay.